Hi Cancer, I'm Anisha. You can visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast on love and relationships. Cancer, we start the month with a beautiful full moon in Libra, and this is the time where you're going to be looking at your closest relationships and putting them under a scanner. So, for a lot of you, you're going to be looking at things that serve no purpose anymore, and for some of you, you're going to be looking at past issues. So there's going to be a lot of looking over your shoulder time as well. The full moon energy is a great time to acknowledge, accept, and transform things that don't work or which have no longer any purpose in your life, Cancerians. So use this time wisely. Use this time to, um, you know, really clear the cupboard or clear your mental cupboard. Let go of things or of people which, this could do with past hurts as well. So your past experiences where you have been let down, or it could be through a partner, a friend. It could be any relationship. You need to really let go and open yourself up to new experiences this month, Cancerian. It's a lovely time to be working on your relationship as well. So for a lot of you who may have a sense of what a perfect relationship is, and while it is great to know or have a sense of what an ideal relationship it is, we may look at a parents' relationship and say, this is the perfect relationship, this is what I want in my life. But the truth is that most of the, or I would say all of the perfect relationships that we see on the surface, they require the maximum amount of work that is there. So be prepared this month to know that, or rather to really remove your rose-colored glasses and look at things and people for who and what they are. I think it's forgivable when people fool you, but it is quite unforgivable when you fool yourself and when you carry on fooling yourself. So this month, look at look at situations, look at relationships, look at people, look at your closest partnerships, look at yourself with a lot of honesty, and use this time to transform. So if you want to sit and do a pro and a con list, go ahead and do it this month. Look at things that you can do away with, look at things that you would like to keep. And for those of you who are looking for love, try not to have a preconceived notion or a preconceived frame really in your mind, saying that this is how I want my relationship to be or my perfect partner to be. Because there isn't one that really exists. You have to just be open, and you have to, I would say, not just in your heart but also in your mind. Let love happen. Try not to put so many caveats around it, or so many I would say preconceived notions around it. Times imperfection can be very beautiful as well. For those of you who have children, it's a great time to be doing something creative with them. Maybe it's a good time to be sitting and making a vision board with them. I think it's a great exercise to try and see what is it that your child, he or she, wants to be when they grow up. So take some time out, make a vision board. It's a fun thing to do in any case. Also, I think somewhere it's a great creative bonding time for you with your child. So use this time well. For those of you who are in committed relationships, use this time to appreciate what you have. And with the dents and the warts and all, use this time to make whatever changes that you can within yourself. Start the work with yourself, Cancerians, this month. It'll go a long way with you. So have a lovely month. I'll see you again in May. And thank you so much for watching.